Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. A project timeline is essentially a timeline that tells you when does your project start and when will it end. Now, it can be a little bit more involved than that because within a project, you might have multiple tasks and each of those has their own timeline. And within those tasks, you might have some tasks that are dependent on prior tasks being completed so you can start them. So essentially a timeline, a project timeline will allow you to map out all of those different activities that you have going on in your project, put a timeline to them. So what's their start date, their end date, how many days are involved, and then sequence those so that the ones that are needing to be done first because they're the prerequisites to the next ones or they're short-term wins or however you define it, allows you to move forward short-term with certain actions, mid-term, and then long-term. That's the power of a timeline, and it gives you a view of how your project is going to progress over time. And you can also map it out in terms of a visual, like a Gantt chart, which will allow you to see the sequence of activities visually. So that's the power of a timeline. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.